yonke le nto what bro?
Basicheke khona.
Weka ichilo ngothi.
Ngitsho yonke ngithi nje lo wantontontonton.
Ngene. But I can't read. Oh Lord. I can't read. Wait, what should I title this?
Yeah.
No, but like how do you title? Like you know when they title down there. Okay, yeah, that's fine, whatever.
Oh, yeah, you're far. When Rocky said, yeah.
So we are on our way with the bus. We're going on a trip. Well, my favorite rocket ship. So many people on the sky.
I'll get someone to come to you. They'll send me your.
So we're basically going. We can pin a comment. Yes. So how do I pin a comment? It's fine. I'll just let you guys know. So anyways, we are on our way.
Not a drink inside.
Spoonbox. So we have my spoonbox. But we are on the way like vacation. Essentially, and African featuring my beautiful Africans for the day. And then Sise Pasini. Not trying to show people's faces. And then let's go. Hot press and a comment to pin it. Hot press and a comment. Okay, it's fine. I'll just leave it. Okay, let me read the thing. Let me actually read it. My crush, Mama Madoda, I'll tap Madoda. Yo, the Balgaboga, but here's that video. That's right now. I feel real right now because why am I shooting them out so much? Milky Way. Which was more prepared? Yes, we are on the highway. I'm sorry. Yeah, I didn't engage in that because wow, let's go. Sweetie, Sanguinani, Uzenani. I was with my friends on the beach in Split Croatia. You called me N-word. I don't even remember this one. Sanguinani. So I want to actually make a bed now. So I was asking you to like. Oh, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Anyways, how are you guys? What's happening with you guys? Where's the after party? Where are you guys watching the game? You know, which screens are you guys going? Which screens are you guys going to watching it? So don't join afterwards. And then yeah. Yo guys, I'm actually I guess she's on number 2. I hate the fact that what? Because the Pegasus are like is it Zamuga? Yeah, like it's similar. Sure, call me the scam. Let's use the Labanton. What are you calling her? Yeah, for sure. If I was yeah. I get cooked Opatikama yeah, because I should have actually just worn so we have called my name. Other than this one, I have other one. She's on my case. Hi, bro. I'm so tired. I'm actually so tired, and I don't understand why I'm so tired, because yesterday I basically Lele egg number 1, number 2, yeah, because I'm about to end this. Anyways, where are the after parties? Let's check. 18:30. Just me and my sister always hang out first. Nice, really nice. But where's the after party? Oh, this is in a shop. Oh, yes, I was like, Leafy shop. Guys, look, my battery is actually gonna die, so I should save it. 30%. I should save it, but I need to after party. So let me just go back. I'll keep you guys updated. I just hate this video.
I don't like close contact.
Okay, so manje, wait, but manje says have my egg.
Which one? Nice.
Yeah. Kana bona, satu together. Okay, tag me. Okay, bye. I'm out. Goodbye. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you guys know what's happening. Keep you guys updated on what's happening. Yeah. I'm gonna take you party after party. But when after party go march, yeah. But when after party go march, so must be banana jam shanga to see a driver. I move this. Like I move. Are you guys gonna be at the game, by the way, so that we can see each other, like meet each other and go boca? Also, I'm trying to buy a vuvuzela. So if you're at the game, just know that if you're at the game and you're trying to come, you're not gonna DM me or anything like that. Just know that I'm gonna make a noise for you, because I'm gonna be blowing the vuvuzela like I'm crazy. Yeah, and I'm gonna have a Brovos roll. Because go boca, because genoeg is genoeg. En aan te gaan, ik zie blow van onze jammers, van die diepte, onze jammer. So, ja, genoeg is genoeg. Achterdag, eet Brovos, boca. Oh yeah. I think those are the only Afrikaans words I know. Namang antwoord. Yeah, antwoord. On trappen van die lekker. Go boca. Yeah. I think those are the only Afrikaans words I know. But yeah, go boca. Let's enjoy. I'm gonna eat now. Bye-bye. Hello, gorgeous baby. Can I just say also, like, antwoord exactly. Samu antwoord, baba. Eet gewoon lekker in van
Actually, now it has been. I guess I'm looking for.
Okay, sorry, I got distracted. So I'm good. Genoeg is proper van gelijk. Yeah, boom, bello. I'm telling you. Go Boca. This you coming on after party tonight. After party will be, where are you? I'm on the bus. CIA Ellis Park to watch the game. And then please make sure to slide selfies. They love clowning. I'll definitely, you know, like snap, ja. Genoeg is genoeg. Antwoord. Trappen van gelijken. Ik is die boka. Ik is die boka. Nou. Maar ons is die boka. Ons is die boka. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye. I'm done for real. It was very lovely. My life, I had okay, bye-bye. Winning is bye-bye for real. Love you.